Welcome to 12734 Knightsbridge Drive in the coveted Westridge subdivision.
With over $350,000 in upgrades, you are going to instantly fall in love with this home. Join us today for a private tour. Welcome to a perfectly curated gourmet kitchen. What does that look like? Beyond the expansive island that was installed, the quartz countertops, custom backsplash, every appliance has in mind gourmet. From the 6-burner signature kitchen suite, sub-zero paneling for your refrigerator, upgraded cabinetry, you even have a double wall oven with Advantium oven. This is the place where you want to prepare and even entertain. Light is everything, from the pendant lighting to the recessed lights, and of course the natural light. The owners installed a transom window, not only here in the kitchen, but also in the primary suite to maximize light flowing through your kitchen, which is really important when crafting the perfect meal.
The travertine tile leads to a seamless transition from the kitchen to the living room with the stone gas fireplace and this antique mantle that's over 300 years old.
This sunroom will soon become your favorite room of the home, with picturesque views in every season of the year, whether it's summer and everything's in bloom, or you have a warm cup of coffee on a cold wintry day as you watch the snow fall in your own private retreat. The coffered ceilings that are cedar wood gives it that European sense of just the ability to relax and enjoy your own private space.
Welcome to your beautiful primary suite. There's windows on all sides. You're surrounded by nature. There's plenty of natural light flowing through the room. There's space for a sitting area and 2 deep walk-in closets.
Good.
In addition to the intricate wainscoting and crown molding, the owners made a unique opening into the 4th bedroom, which allows for a sitting room and office space in the upper level. As you walk into your primary ensuite, you will notice the entire bathroom has been remodeled. From flooring to custom tiles to upgraded cabinetry, your luxury tub overlooking your personal retreat, your glass enclosed shower with infinity drain.
Right off the kitchen is your 2-level Trex decking with anodized aluminum metal railing. This outdoor area is maintenance free.
You have access to your own private retreat also from the lower level with a walkout basement. The owners created this wonderful conservation area to really bring in nature, sounds, and life to the backyard. You'll notice the stone patio that wraps all the way around on the different tiers of this backyard, and even the koi pond with the natural elements of a water feature. Beyond the natural elements, you're gonna see the spa that's here, this hot tub is perfectly situated among nature. With multiple levels of entertaining, we want to introduce you to your new outdoor kitchen. That's right, you have a grill, refrigerator, and the perfect space for prepping and eating as you entertain multiple guests and family.
This garden house is fabulous. It's situated at the back of the lot with screens for overflow entertaining and eating. This can be used year-round. The stone wood fireplace is wonderful on those cold, chilly nights where you can enjoy right after you get out of the hot tub. We hope you enjoyed this video of just a few of our favorite features of this home.
Reach out to the Nellis Group today to book your own private tour.